In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Revolut account in France. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can open a Revolut account regardless of your country, and of course this includes France. In order to do this, first download the app for Revolut. You will manage your account, sign up, and do all of the services and features directly through the app, so you must download it from the Play Store or the App Store. You can scan this QR code or input your mobile number on the official website, but I would recommend simply going over to the App Store or the Play Store, depending on if you are on iOS or Android. And once you have the Revolut app downloaded, when you first open it up, you will see the Sign Up option. And finally, you will have to input your phone number. So the very first thing that they will ask for is your mobile number. Choose the proper country code, so tap on this icon here, and then look for France on the list. Once you find the corresponding country or region, input the mobile number. It is going to be verified, and now you can proceed. Next, you will have to verify a lot of personal information, starting with your country of residence. So once again, choose France. Be aware of all the agreements, card issuing, deposit protection, and other legal information. If everything looks okay, tap accept and continue, and then input your address. You can use the search function to fill out most of the details, or manually input the mandatory and optional information. Once everything has been filled, once again tap continue, and finally you will be able to browse through all of the plans. So Revolut does have free plans, but also it features Metal and Premium, which can unlock advanced features for a small fee per month. So it's up to you which one you want. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.